Hi, in this video I will show you how to set up the PayPal cash account. So the process is pretty simple. First of all, you need to log into your PayPal account by searching for the paypal.com and log into your account. Once you will log into your account, you will see screen like this. So what you have to do is simply you have to click on the wallets from here. For setting up your cash account, you need to link a credit card or the bank account. So choice is here. You if you don't have debit or the credit card, you can simply link your bank account from here. And if you have debit or the credit card, link with it, and after that deposit some amount to your PayPal, and you will see so in the summary cash here. So in this way you can set up the cash account on the PayPal. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.